welcome to 3D 360. I'm Paul, and this is our sort of learner inspiration area at 3D 360, really demonstrating the things you can do with 3D printing, the NASA ratchet spanner from the International Space Station, some of our print in place, moving parts, all printed as one piece, impossible engineering, the Sierpinski pyramid, and this item made from our water bottles, from our pop bottles, using a machine that we've 3D printed the parts for and then used a printer to recreate filament and recycle plastic bottles so we can make them into physical items, really showing that circular economy. We find this is a great area for inspiration for our learners, demonstrating what's possible using 3D printing, the immense range of products and items that you can manufacture. So just demonstrating a few of the things really that we 3D print here and what capabilities it's possible using digital manufacturing. This is an articulated gecko, a little lizard. This is all printed as one piece. It's not assembled. All these moving parts, that's just exactly how it comes off the printer. And it demonstrates what we're able to do using digital manufacturing. No need to assemble these items, parts consolidation, and that reduces wear and fatigue and increases reliability of parts. I'll show you a few other things. This recycler for the pop bottles, we're able to 3D print these items, use parts from a 3D printer, and used water bottles to recreate filament, and we can use that to make items. Really impressive kit. That's a great material. We have other items here for marketing. We've been able to create digital personalized marketing. I love these, especially for education. The Apollo 16 landing site, NASA open source, every item, the Mars rover, everywhere they've been, scans of planets, and that's available for everyone to download, 3D print and use as a teaching resource. We have a Sierpinski pyramid here. This is impossible to machine using even the best 6-axis CNC machine, and we're able to manufacture that on our printers because of the way 3D printing works layer by layer. And I'll show you the rest of the facility, the training rooms and the operational area. Follow me. And this is our operational area, where our sort of training and administrative and technical staff work. What I'll do is talk to you a little bit about apprenticeships and why we believe in them and take apprenticeships on in our business. So I served a recognised apprenticeship. I did an apprenticeship straight from school because it offered me the ability to do practical learning as well as theory learning, and it offered me the ability to earn while I learn as well. I had a really good career through that apprenticeship foundation, so it's really important that we provide that for the next generation and the workforce of tomorrow. These are some of our larger format printers which the apprentices use to produce. We could see here some robotics, some articulated animals, print in place, gearboxes. Once our apprenticeships have done the basic training and we've trained them up in 3D printing, they're able to use the desktop machines. We then develop them to be able to use the larger format machines for bigger things such as cosplay items and film and TV characters. And it's great really growing our own, if you like, allowing the apprentices to really learn this machinery and get used to it at a young age so they can really get the best out of that going forward. This is Matt, one of our apprentices at 3D 360. Matt's going to show you around the training room.
This is one of our training rooms. It's the second training room that we've got, with the first one being just through there. So some of my day-to-day tasks at 3D 360, they range greatly. So one day I can be doing IT, another day I can be flying a drone, scanning some buildings, another day I could be designing a part for a high-value client, and it just ranges greatly. Different things every day. Okay. So my advice for anyone that's wanting to become an apprentice, first things first, look around and find an apprenticeship that's correct for you. something that you'll enjoy, and you'll learn a lot about. And secondly, try your hardest, try your best at every task that's given to you. Don't say no to doing any sort of tasks. Just try it all, because the more you do, the more you learn.
I think it's great to be able to take on apprentices for a lot of reasons, really. One is we get to train people in the specific skills that we want, and we get them familiar with the specific skills. I think it passes on our knowledge that we've acquired from decades of work and experience. We get to pass that on to our apprentices. And I think for the business, it offers a really good succession planning for those resources, so that as older people like me retire, then there's the next generation coming through. I think it's really important to support the next generation and to offer these opportunities and support early careers, and offer that pathway really for them into really good, well-paid, secure jobs.